crazy can this be? We're going to build this ambulance for the hospital in Groningen. We pulled off some duct tape, and where is it used? In Groningen. Just can't get over it. Check how big that thing is. This is true non-standard. Not regularly I would do this job, but because it's so non-standard and it's car related, I took on this job. The idea. You see this yellow thing? Yeah, that's the ambulance. These are office spaces or meeting spaces, just coffee corners, more meeting spaces. And the plan is that the ambulance is going to be a Skype or call pod. And the most crazy thing of all, it needs to be on the 4th floor. So we need to hire a crane, a big crane, to hoist it all the way up in the air, then through the windows to the inside of the hospital. The most tricky thing of this is the opening space of the window where it needs to be hoisted inside the hospital at the 4th floor is 2 meters 44 centimeters. And the thing here is a little bit higher at the moment. So what we're going to figure out is how we're going to get this one inside. And another thing, we found this ambulance online at their local junkyard. We never knew of or understood what the purpose was, why it was there. But the longer we're searching and checking all the details on the ambulance, it's a crash vehicle. So we think, because of the inside, this is the inside of the ambulance. As you can see here, there's like some dummy brancard, or not sure, there are a lot of other dummy stuff in it. I think for the weight of the ambulance. It's like over here, all the cabinets and the drawers, there are all stickers with weight in it. So we guess that they put bags of sand in it with the original weights. Truck out to get this one out. I won't be able to get that one out myself. Well, since we guess it was a crash or test vehicle, they never bothered finish it nice. So I guess that's why they used per, or I don't know how you call it in English. I will look that up. I'm going to try and cut this all out so we can remove the back. We undid all the bolts that were in the cabin. We found a couple in cabinets. They were tricky to get to, but we got it all loosened up.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto gino d'amor, delle belle turbando al riposo.
Not the easiest place to work. We're in the cabin behind the seats. Fucking shite! Hopefully get the cabin loose.
Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante.
All these bags are filled with old rocks, so old clothes. The first couple small ones are sand. Those are the most heavy. But these aren't too bad. Alright, let's see if we can lift it. Everything is loose, as I believe.
Quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio donesco color.
That's working. It's coming up.
Vermiglio donesco color.
There's movement. It's tilted now a little bit.
Quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non chiudrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto adoro. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto adoro. Grande stacchi, stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, uso franco.
Well, it's all freaking nice, but now to lift it, I really have no idea if this is strong enough to lift the whole cabin off. Let's see what happened. I'm not sure what else. It is lifting it, but I'm not really happy on this. Theoretically, it should be possible. But it's not very strong enough, eh? Need to have a better lifting points on this. Fucking hell. Need to make something, I guess. Sure, how crazy this project will be. The ramp extensioners are in, so let's see if we can lift the box. Never expected, never done something like this before. Non-standard, doing crazy shit. it's so dirty from here. So picked up the pressure washer this morning from home. First going to pressure wash the subframe so we can work on it some better, and especially when it goes up into the hospital it needs to be clean anyway. So let's hit up that first. Well, maybe this wasn't the best of ideas to do it with this weather, but I wanted to have it done, so let's go on and cracking. Well, I think it's too windy for the camera. Power washing's done. A lot better to work on it like this. In a couple of hours I've got the appointment with the architect to see what we can do with the box to get it rolling. So I just start the car from a junkyard, rolled on its side. One side you won't see anymore, but you got all those little small things we need to repair, and when you're going to sit in the car it needs to look nice and like an ambulance. So all these tiny bits that are missing inside the car, there's no carpet, no battery box, and lots of other small details. I'll make a list, start fixing it, see what we need to order and get it on cracking. So, got everything taken apart. As you can see, there are really some holes and some stuff for being an ambulance. We need to close the gaps, make it look nice again, so people can sit in it to make a phone call. Pretty crazy. That's it for this episode. We've got it all put it out together. We know how we're going to hoist it in the air inside the hospital. This will be for the next videos to keep you guys watching this crazy project. I think maybe the craziest project I have ever done, but I'm really enjoying this. Hope you guys enjoying this as well. So like the videos to keep our YouTube algorithm and channel growing, so we can put out some more cool content for you. And of course, please subscribe to our channel and put something in the comments so we can discuss what's going on here. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching this crazy project.